How to send dice to friends on Monopoly Go. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how to send dice to your friends on Monopoly Go. So the process is very easy, you just have to follow me step by step and let's dive into the video without wasting any time. So first you have to open your Monopoly Go app, and once you open it you're going to land over here on this dashboard of yours, and then what you have to do is just come to your Monopoly Go app and click the three lines on the top right corner and then go to your shop or store, and here you can just buy dices for your friends and just send them. That's the process that you can use to send dices to your friends. Just purchase the dices for your friends on their accounts by logging in their accounts into your phone or on their phone, and just purchase these dices for them. So that's the only way that you can use to buy dices for your friends or send dices to your friends. So I hope you liked the process and found it easy, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.